when it comes to roadsters, the SLK is definitely high up on my wish list, and I think it looks brilliant in this lovely shade of metallic blue. This is one car which you're going to enjoy driving for many miles to come. A dynamic 1.8 petrol engine which delivers great performance and yet is pretty economical. What can I say? It's all leather inside. You've got heated seats, multi-changer CD player. They've even fitted satellite navigation to this car as well. So it's all there for you. That metal folding roof, very, very clever. Gives you great protection when it's not so good the weather, but it's down within no time at all when the sun is shining. This is a great car, and on a long run, going to deliver about 47 to the gallon. Now, I could tell you a lot more about this car, but I think the best way of discovering it is for yourself with a test drive. So why not ring and reserve? We can hold this car for you for up to 48 hours until you can get here. Bring your licence with you, take it out for a ride, come and discover this great car for yourself at Fords of Winsford.